Hi guys, let nobody lie to you. Africa is not dark. Africa is green and natural, and it's always summertime, and it's never too hot, it's never too cold. I'm on my way to fetch water from the river. Yeah, and we have this fountain that flows throughout the year. Like, it just never runs dry. During the day, during the night, it's always flowing. So we have the trees over here. It's so beautiful around here. These are cow feeds. They're called napier grass. Yeah, more have been planted over here. They're coming up. More over here. And yeah, we are almost at the river now. So beautiful, people. Let nobody tell you that Africa is dark and is poor and you'll be beaten by wild animals and all those crazy stories that you hear on the media. This is the real Africa for you. This is the real rich Africa. Look at the soil. Very, very rich and fertile and nice. The wind, beautiful. Beautifully flowing and kissing the leaves of the trees. I think this is a little paradise. I think this is a little paradise, guys. Look at that. Oh my God. What do you think? Very, very, very beautiful. So now this side we just have the water flowing, but so it goes, some people use it for irrigation, others use it for car wash, others use it at the farm to do different things. So this one is over here, but the fountain of life, I call it the fountain of life. This water right here, it never runs dry. It's always flowing like throughout the year. You can come fetch your water, clean your clothes, fetch water for your cows. Oh my God, you can do so much with this. And this water is so ready to drink. It has all the beautiful minerals in there. No fluoride added. It's like magical, guys. So please, let nobody lie to you. If you're out there, you're watching this video from diaspora, pay a visit, Come and see for yourselves how beautiful Africa is, how we are blessed. So guys, I'm right here. I want to fetch some water from the fountain. We don't get to boil this water. Once we get home, we're just gonna drink it, because it's pure from the earth, from God. So guys, thank you. Bye bye.